Hi, my name is Nisha Page and I'm from Harcourt's The Difference here in Helensville. And we present to you 27 Mahi Road. This is a brand new 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home just finished. Let me show you around. It's all the creature comforts. It's got ample space, walk-in closet, and of course an ensuite. This home is filled with little cupboards all around for you to store all of those extra things you have in your home. The family bathroom services the other 3 bedrooms, and those 3 bedrooms are not skimpy, I'll tell you that. There's enough space for a family here or for guests if they come over when you're entertaining. 27 Mahi is part of a development that's growing day by day, and you'll be part of the bigger community here in Helensville. This open plan area is serviced by this gorgeous kitchen, gas hob, electric oven, and lots of soft closing doors. There's a lot of space for entertainment without you being separated from the rest of your guests. But it's also great to relax while you enjoy the view after a long day at work. There are 2 sections of deck on the outside. The grounds are landscaped, and so you're getting the perfect home, brand new, just to you. To enjoy this home, and if you want to have a look around, come and see me at one of the open homes, or I can arrange a private viewing for you at any time. My name is Nisha Page and I'm from Harcourt's The Difference here in Helensville.